Namaskar. Welcome to the seventh offering of Wari. After Sant Jnaneshwar and Sant Namdev, the successor of Warkari Sampradaya was undoubtedly Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath has given or maybe has contributed so much to Marathi literature or Sant Vangmay or Saint literature of Maharashtra. I think there is hardly any other saint who has contributed so much as Sant Eknath. From his childhood, he had been hearing the deity, devotion, spirituality, and devotional things within the family circle. As we have seen in one of the past stories, or maybe one of our past Wari, that Sant Bhanudas, who was great grandfather of Sant Eknath, brought Vitthal from Karnataka to Maharashtra and re-established at Pandharpur, and his grandfather Swami Chakrapani was another who gave him this kind of inclination or this kind of surrounding for spirituality. He lost his father at the early age, and that is why Swami Chakrapani, who is grandfather of Eknath Maharaj, raised him in his childhood. Sant Eknath's guru was Janardhan Swami, and whenever we will read, we can read his Abhanga, Gavlan, or maybe Bharud, we can see a mudra of him, that is Eka Janardhani. Eka is from Eknath and Janardhani is his guru's name or teacher's name, Janardhan, and that is why his dedication of all his literature is to his guru Janardhan Swami. He has given vast things to saint literature. However, there are few simple or maybe popular songs, bharuds or maybe abhanga, which are available today, are written by Sant Eknath, such as Omkar Swarupa Sadguru Samartha, or maybe Agagagagaga Vinchu Chavala, Kai Bai Karu Vinchu Chavala, Kunala Sangu Vinchu Chavala, or maybe Bhavani Ai Rodagawa Hintula, Satwara Pauga Mala Bhavani Ai Rodagawa Hintula, Ali Ali Ho Bhaga Bai, Ali Ali Ho Bhaga Bai. This kind of simple, straight and popular literature has been given by Sant Eknath. Beyond this simple literature which appealed to a common person, common man of this land, he has given lot of things to Marathi literature. That is Bhagavad Puran, he has converted that into Eknathi Bhagavad. Ramayana he has converted or he has written it into Eknathi Ramayana. Rukmini Swayamvar, Mudra Vilas, Laghu Gita, Shushkashtak Tika, Swatma Bhodh or Hari Path. These are all literature contribution of Sant Eknath. One more important thing that Sant Eknath did to Maharashtra is identification of Sant Jnaneshwar Samadhi in Alandi, which was lost or maybe which was unidentified during that time, and Sant Eknath was a person who identified it, and today currently when you go to Alandi you will see Samadhi of Sant Jnaneshwar, which is identified by Sant Eknath. In this simple, straight and entertaining literature, let us hear one abhanga which is recited by a friend of mine, Vishal Ghadge. We will listen to this abhanga and then we will elaborate more about this.
कली माझी दैवते उघड दिसती फार, कली माझी दैवते उघड दिसती फार, नारळ आणि शेंदूर यांचा भडीमार, लटिका देव लटिका भक्त लटिके सर्व वाव, लटिका देव लटिका भक्त लटिके सर्व वाव, सात धान्याचे धपाटे मागती काय त्यांचा बडिवार, तेल रांधा मागती मलिदा वरती काजळ कुंकू, तेल रांधा मागती मलिदा वरती काजळ कुंकू, फजित खोर ऐसे देवतयाचे तोडावर थुंकू, एका जनार्दनी सर्व भावे सोपा पंढरीराव, एका जनार्दनी सर्व भावे सोपा पंढरीराव, तया सांडोनी कोण पुसे या देवाची कायसी माव. तया सांडोनी कोण पुसे या देवाची कायसी माव.
Abhanga, which is written in 14th century, is apt today also. He says, Kali माझी दैवते उघड दिसती फार. We can see that many people make lot of queue or a big queue in front of deities, and they take their offerings and then they wait for hours and hours in the queue to see that such a Dev or maybe this and that, what not, and then people keep on offering. People offer gold, people offer money, people offer everything that is possible. And that is why this is a rebellious thought which is given by Santa Eknath. He says, in the Kali Yuga, there are gods everywhere which are of no use. He says, Naral ani Shendur yancha bhadimar. Oh, this god asks for offerings of coconut. The god will ask for offerings of another arbitrary things. Further says, Latika Deva, Latika Bhakta, Latike Sarva Bhava. This is a momentary god, this is momentary devotee, and this is momentary everything which you can see within this this premise of the Kali Yuga's God. सात धान्याचे धपाटे मागती काय त्यांचा बडीमार. And the God is asking the expensive offerings or maybe food articles or food offerings. तेल रांधा मागती मलिदा वरती काजळ कुंकू. Oh, the God doesn't stop there. He is asking for oil, he is asking for eatable things, he is asking for sweet, he is asking for coal, he is asking for offerings of many different kinds. फजित खोर ऐसे देव थयांचे तोंडावर थुंकू. This is a very, very rebellious thought of Santa Eknath. He says, to such kind of God, we should spit on the face of that kind of a God. What is the use of such kind of a God who is asking from the deity beyond the bhola bhav of Santa Chokamela? What God should ask? God doesn't have any kind of association for the articles or the things. And what God will ask? God will ask for the bhola bhav, that is innocent devotion. Further, Eknath Swami says, एका जनार्दनी सर्व भावे सोपा पंढरी राव, तया सांडोनी कोण पुसे या देवाची काय सीमाव. And out of all these gods, there is one simple God who is Pandhari Rao, that means Vithoba, who is not asking anything. He doesn't have past, he doesn't have future, he is present everywhere. And he is not going to ask you for any offering. What you should come to this God is with pure devotion. And Santa Eknath has told all of us in his language, in his articles, in his abhanga, in his literature, that we have to be simple, we have to be straight, we have to be sober in our offering to God. And the offering of offering to the God from our side is nothing but simple devotion. With this simple devotion, Ramakrishna.